So, very exciting. Look what has just arrived down here. The new DJI Neo 2 drone. So I have the original Neo, which is still tucked away in its box over here, which I have to say has hardly been used. There it is, the full kit and caboodle, Neo 1 with controller and battery pack and what have you. So I always have these great intentions of using the drone more often, particularly when I'm out on the bike, hoping to get some aerial shots of some of the places I visit, but I rarely, if ever, put it in the sky. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to upgrade to this new Neo 2, which on the face of it looks like a significant improvement, and just see whether I can get the motivation to use it a bit more often. Anyway, I've not even unboxed it yet, so I'll keep the camera rolling while I do that, shall I? Right, so what do we have in here? So this is the Fly More combo, so like the original Neo. It's got the remote control with it, and a couple of extra batteries and a charging pack. So I think that is all the accessories, and I'll have a look at those, actually accessories and the remote by the look of it. I'll have a look at those in a minute. Let's have a quick look at the aircraft itself. So this Fly More combo, the drone already has this transceiver or whatever it's called on the back there that gives you greater distance. I don't think when you're just using it with the phone, I think that makes no difference at all, but if you're using it with the remote control, it gives you better kind of reception or connection over a greater distance. So that's what that bit there is. Anyway, there's the drone itself. Very, very similar to the original Neo, a little bit bigger. It's got this kind of screen on the front here, and I think the key difference with this, the thing that attracted me most to it, is that it's got collision avoidance all round, top, bottom and front. I think it's 360-degree collision avoidance, so that's great. So anyway, let's pop that down for a minute. Get that out of the way. See what we've got in the accessory box. If I can work out how to open it. So that's the is it the RC2N3 or RC1N3? I don't know what it actually is. They are the RC-N3 remote controller. Extra set of propellers by the look of it. Manual and stickers. That's a spare cable. It's actually a lightning cable to connect the remote control to your phone. You can connect it either with a standard USB 3, which most recent phones, iPhones and others have got, or slightly older phones might still have the lightning connector. So that's what that cable there is for. And in here so there we've got the usual USB-C or USB-C connector for charging the batteries and connecting the drone to the computer. And then in here is the two extra batteries. One of them's already in the drone, so there's three, and the charging port. So what I need to do now is connect the drone to the DJI Fly app on my phone and get it activated, probably update the firmware, and we're pretty much ready to go. It's a bit of a cold, wet, miserable Tuesday afternoon, so I'm not going to be getting the drone out today. But yeah, I should have a little bit of fun flying that for the first time at some point over the next few days. Okay, I'll leave that there for now.